Welcome, dear students, in the second video of Pakistan Studies, Week 1. And in this video, we are going to learn about location of Pakistan. Pakistan is situated in the west part of South Asia. It is stretched between the latitude of 23.30 degrees north and between the longitude of the 61 degrees and 75.31 degrees in the east. This longitude and latitude primarily are the imaginary lines on the equator, which are studied by the geography experts and astronomers. They have divided the equator or the globe into proper sections, and accordingly they identify the location of some country. Similar is the location in the longitude and the latitude on the globe. Total area is 7,96,096 kilometers wide east to west and 1,600 kilometers north to south and about 885 kilometers broad east to west. The students, when you have to learn the map, then there are directions given on the map which show the east and west, north and south. Clear? So this is the south. Arabian Sea is situated in the south, whereas Afghanistan is situated in the north, and Indian territories and the Chinese border are in the east, whereas Iran is situated in the west. Next, strategic importance of Pakistan. Dear students, geographically, Pakistan is situated in a very key position in Asia. If we once again have a look into the previous slide, Pakistan is situated in Eurasian plate, means the land streak which divide the bigger areas or portions of the land. Pakistan is on the Eurasian plate. Pakistan is open to the wide Central Asian countries, which used to be Muslim countries hundreds of years ago, before the Russians occupied these territories. They are also now growing economic countries with lots of natural resources. Pakistan has the land access through the air, and Pakistan also have enjoyed and is still enjoying the relations with these countries, and these countries also give a special thanks to Pakistan because of the Afghanistan or the Cold War session where Pakistan took part in Afghan jihad, and resultantly the great USSR had to leave these territories, and also these countries got freedom from the Russian occupation. Secondly, Pakistan is the neighboring country of Iran, which is one of the very key oil producing country. Plus, Iran has a very specific contribution and relation with Pakistanis or with the people of Pakistan because of the ethnic relationship different people love most because of the uh, the religious personalities, and also Iran has centuries old relations with Pakistan. Well, Pakistan has very uh, cooperative friendly relations with Iran, especially in the war of 1965. Iran helped Pakistan, but the relationship between Iran and Pakistan changed after the Islamic Revolution. Well, now the third significance of the location of Pakistan is Arabian Sea. Dear students, Arabian Sea is almost over 700 kilometers long. It has the wonderful ports like Karachi, Port Qasim, Jiwani, Gadani, and especially the Gwadar, which is the world's most deep natural seaport. Arabian Sea is situated where the big sea opens, like Indian Ocean start, clear, and Pakistan is situated in the start of that position. And Pakistan covers a huge area to the Gulf. So the trade of most of the Gulf countries and Iran had to pass through the Arabian Sea. They are the warm waters, whereas the rest of the countries, except Iran, like Afghanistan, like the Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and all others, they are called landlocked countries. They don't have access to the active sea. Fine. Uh, Therefore, this Arabian Sea has huge significance from the strategic point of view, economic point of view, and the reason is the Gwadar port, CPAC, the game changer, is one of the very mega projects by the Chinese. Let's have what is the significance of the Gwadar in perspective to the Arabian Sea. Look, China is a huge country. It is situated in the northeastern side of Pakistan, and it stretched to the uh, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Russia and other countries. And the sea route for the China primarily used to be the uh, used to be the say South China Sea, where are lots of issues involved, like American involvement, regional countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and the other countries don't like Chinese influence in the region, and above all, India, who has the stronghold in the Indian Ocean, and in the past couple of years, America, India, Australia, and some other countries of the region involved in Quad. Quad actually was, we say, Quad is the agreement between these states to uh, tackle Chinese influence in the Indian Ocean. And in that context, Gwadar becomes very significant because the trade from Europe and African regions that can come here, and through these uh, regions from Gilgit-Baltistan, it reached to Gujarat and then to the Xinjiang Chinese region. And it minimizes almost uh, 5,000 kilometers or over 6,000 kilometers long traveling and others. This is why CPAC is quite an important uh, section or opportunity for Pakistan, especially for China, and notably for the Central Asian countries. Arabian Sea is a very important gift for Afghanistan because Afghanistan is landlocked country, and the relationship of Afghanistan with the other neighboring countries are not that reliable. Only solution for Afghanistan is either Iran or either Pakistan. But the past few decades, all the trade between for Afghanistan has been, and it is still continuing through the Arabian Sea. Although in the past decade, especially in after the American involvement in the affairs of Afghanistan, the situation became worst because there happened lots of mishaps, security issues, and much more, and due to which the supply often suspends, and still sometimes when some clashes on the border happens, the trade stops occasionally. Now, the other significance of Pakistan, land diversity. Pakistan is one of the most fortunate countries in the world which has been blessed with diverse land. For example, you find some countries like the uh, Middle Eastern countries, they are mostly uh, dry, sandy, and there are rocks. But Pakistan is has a variety of lands. Clear, the highest mountains, peaks, glaciers, rivers, lakes, colors, flowers, forests, agriculture, and much more. Seasons. Pakistan enjoys, and the people of Pakistan enjoy almost all type of seasons. Here we enjoy winter, summer, rainy seasons, spring, autumn, and there are some other mild mixed seasons like interval of the like monsoon, which gives a special flavor, adds special flavors with the seasons. The rains in the winter and especially in the summer. This land diversity, like the glaciers and the highest mountains of Karakoram, Pir Panjal, uh, and the Himalayas, give birth to the rivers which flow into the plains of Pakistan and develop a huge agriculture. For example, the Indus Valley, the Indus River plains, the upper and the lower plains. And in upper plains, we find the KPK region, and some of the areas of Balochistan, where at the lower and Sindh, whereas in the lower plains, the Punjab is all included. And because of the water, there are jungles, herbs, and I mean the flora and fauna of Pakistan is wonderful. Pakistan is also significant for its colorful culture. Actually, Pakistan is the the public of Pakistan is a public of many combinations. They are mixed races. Here we find that Gilgit and Baltistan and other regions, they were mostly the people had their similarities with the Chinese, but clear and Chinese Turkestan, like Xinjiang and other regions, they used to be the old cradles of the Muslim civilization and house of culture. They people normally have the similarities to them. Whereas the people from the Central Asia, they came here and they ruled for centuries, and also renowned personalities and people came here, and their uh, uh, races still survive. And similarly, Arab countries, people from the Arab, people from Iran and other regions. Also, Pakistan is having the variety of race because after the colonial era, the Western people also got settled here, and we find uh, a huge change in our culture, in language, eating, manners, law, management, defense. Everywhere we find Western civilization and the Western touch. Pakistan is also a very special country because of the human resource. The people of Pakistan, the young people of Pakistan, they are very talented, hardworking, and they are studying in the various fields like computer, medicine, engineering, electrical engineering, research, handicrafts, and they serve all over the world. Especially, Pakistan is the leading in the freelancing uh, country which provide the freelancing services. Is notable. Pakistan is very special because of the other reasons like ancient civilization. Pakistan is not a new inhabited place. Pakistan is the home of very old civilizations, like the earliest settlement in Pakistan areas were 5,000 years ago, approximately, as per the historians say. The Sama Valley, second, the Red and Wool culture for in Job and other areas of Balochistan, and similarly, Indus Valley civilization and Budvat Gandhara civilization in Texla and others, their remnants are still surviving, and most of these sites have been included in UNESCO World Cultural Heritage. And if these sites are promoted and the people are invited, it can increase tourism. Well, another very key significance of Pakistan is being the sole atomic power in the world. Pakistan is also